Okay, guys, so today we are going to be transferring our cPanel email to Zoho. So you can see here, right here, I have this domain. And if I should switch to my cPanel, these emails from the info, the domain, okay? So we want to be able to copy all of these emails. Okay, so what we want to do is we have this logged in into Zoho already, but then the emails are not in Zoho. The emails don't transfer automatically to Zoho, all right? So you have to do it, migrate the data from cPanel Webmail to Zoho mail, which is what we're going to do. So let's jump in. So let me switch back. All right, so here we are. So this is our dashboard, and here we want to go to migrate data migration. So as you can see here, data migration. If I click there, you can see that we have so as you can see, we have migrated this one here. You can see completed. The status is completed. Now we're going to add another, which is you do that by clicking create here, create new migration. We are going to say business concierge. And here we'll let's say we'll just say new server. Okay, so you click here. We say this is the one we created before for the managing director. Right now we are going to add a new server details, and in here we are going to select IMAP. Select that. Okay, now once that is done, I'll switch back to my other monitor so I can show you the details. So in here is the mail client manual settings, which is what we are required. So I'll copy the username and I'll go back to, so what I'm going to be doing is just copy this information down to Zoho. Okay, so let's go back, switch down here. So the IMAP, I'll say orders. You see where it says source server type, I'll say orders, and then source. What you want to do is you bring in the IP address for your server. Okay, as is this one, this one here, and then the security type is SSL. Leave it as it is. The path, we'll say, let's just say info. Okay, let's just do info. Not supposed to be capital. Let's just do info. Right. Okay, so if you want, you can check this, skip security. For us, we are going to say add, and then it takes you to the settings. Now the settings is where you we are of course migrating all emails and all folders. If you want to specify the folders to bring in, you can do that by clicking here and enable pop. So when you enable this, so if you hover over here, it says only if this option is enabled will the migrated emails appear in the account where your Zoho mail account is configured with the pop. Okay, So we're not doing this. Let's click add. Okay, and here maximum connection, we say 95. I like to do 95 right there. And then you can see the status is not started yet. Okay, and here are all your settings. All right. Okay, so our password now, our user have been added. So let's start our migration now. Just click on start here. It says once started, the data will start to migrate and you cannot add, delete users thereafter. So yes, start. And I'll come back when it has finished migrating, okay, to show you. Now if we go down here, you can see that inbox is empty, so there's nothing here. All right, once it's finished, I'll show you the emails that it has migrated from the cPanel. All right, so most times people complicate the process of doing this, but and I don't think Zoho themselves, they did a good job of making it easy for this migration, and that is why I'm making this video. Okay, stay tuned. See you when this is done. Right. Okay, guys, so as you can see, our email has finished transferring, migrating. You see, yesterday, for some reason, it took more than I expected because my internet, got into troubles. So you can see here, IMAP migration for this, and you can see all the emails. All right. So if I come down here, you can see it says completed, and yeah, that is how easy it is to migrate your emails from, what's it called, from cPanel to Zoho. Okay, and thank you for watching, and see you next time in another video. Please don't forget to support us by liking, sharing, commenting, and if you have a question, drop it down in the comment section, and I will personally be glad and happy to assist. Thank you, and bye-bye.